Hi, it's Alea. Hi, it's Alea. And today, this is part of the airplane thing because oh my gosh, because it was too long. That's why. It's the creature. Run, run.
Ang lalaki ang creature.
You will pay for what you've done to my baby.
Ibang sa'yo mo? Ay,
You think you are a
Naka-remember ko katong naglibang naman ko sa real life. Bayan ko, nakikita ko na black niya red sa iyang eyes. So, basi naglibang na nasa siya ah.
Oh my gosh, kita nang duha.
Kita ka ng boom, 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 boom.
Ay, utrom di sila. Hadlok ko do, di ko gananani. This is not possible. Guide sila tanan diri. Kung mag-guide ko diri apil. It's time to...
Dre ang Maraboys area. Maraboys mani. Abalay balik bayot ka.
Bayot. Bayot ka. See you in afterlife. Okay. Wah? Wah?
Hindi yun niya na.
So to do, go full on plane. We need to find the autopilot button. Di mana siguro natin. Click everything and find the button before we I found the button. Close the door. Gali. We did it. We saved the airplane. We saved the day. Never mind. It has been a crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Hey, mataglay na kanji. Kato ang gistorya.
Muli ko ka mo.
Ito na nakuha na akong hotbar na kanina. Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for the people. Call for the local. I-click siguro at nato ang every button. Gali ka na gani. Wait, i-click ang mga kanyo drawers.
Sino na kumakot?
Gali, lukot-lukot. Wala eh. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious.
Kasi nga pang monster. Mga pinakaon.
Okay, we've traced the cage. And now we're taking control. Okay, now what are we doing? Okay, everyone, I got this. Okay, be careful.
Ano yung aking cellphone?
Muhahahaha.
Nag-kiss na ko siya. I-marry man ako siya.
Laka lubot. Hmm. Magusto kay kong saging. Okay. Oh my gosh. Who cares? Let's get back home now. I'm about to throw up. Yay, got a badge award. Okay, anyways guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, bye bye.